A South Korean company that broke a Guinness World Record earlier this month showcased thousands of its drones, flying in formation at a performance in Incheon on Thursday, May 9th. Carrying out a near repeat of its record-breaking feat on May 1st, Uvify, which specializes in drone light shows, used 4,500 drones to put on a dazzling performance at the World Drone Light Show on Thursday evening, along with 1,100 firework drones from Pablo Air, another South Korean company. Hundreds of spectators gathered to watch Thursday's performance, which was open to the public for the first time. Uvify had set a new Guinness World Record for the most unmanned aerial vehicles airborne simultaneously on May 1st, using 5,293 drones at an event, surpassing the previous record of 5,164 drones set by a Chinese company in 2021, according to South Korea's Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport. The Drone Light Show on Thursday was part of the opening of Korea Drone Expo, which will run until Saturday, May 11th.